Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing something a little bit different. Instead of showing you guys a wig, I'm going to be talking all about my natural hair, which is what you guys see right here. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. So I know it has been a minute since I did a hair care video, since I've done an wash and go, any type of dealings with my natural hair, because I've been wearing wigs a lot. So I definitely want to bring you guys an updated video. But also this video is courtesy of Natural Hair Mag / iamplentiful.com. They were kind enough to send me 4 of their products to try out on my hair. And so I definitely want to try them out on my hair before I brought them to you guys to give you guys a true honest opinion about how it is. My hair is very tricky. Like, I have fine hair. My hair is like 3B 3C, so yeah, everything just doesn't work on my hair as far as like moisturizing my hair and making my natural curls pop. So I definitely tried it out before showing it to you guys, so now I'm ready to talk about it. So they were kind enough to send me 4 of their Plentiful products, which is what you see right here. And so they're all formulated with healthy ingredients that promote hair and scalp wellness. And so they don't have mineral oils, sulfates, parabens, DEAs, like any of the harmful stuff that goes into some shampoos and conditioners that we use or that are on the market. They don't have that. And so that is what I actually love about these products. So I'll touch on each one of these really quickly. I used the co-wash first, and the thing that I loved about the co-wash is that my hair felt clean without stripping it of its natural oils. So once I was rinsing the co-wash out, my hair still felt very moisturized, but it also felt very clean. And so I love that about this product. The next product that I used was the deep conditioning treatment. And so the first time that I used it, it says only to keep it on for 15 to 25 minutes. I actually think I kept it on for like hours, because I was like deep conditioning as well as doing work, and you know, you just kind of you lose track of time. But either way, when I did it on camera for you guys, I did it for 20 minutes, I believe. So I loved how my hair felt after 3 hours as well as after 20 minutes. So yeah, my hair felt very clean. It felt very moisturized. Definitely felt like, you know, it lessened the damage and the stress that my hair had been under while it was kind of dry under the wigs for long periods of time. The next product that I used was the styler for straight and wavy hair. Now this I wasn't too sure about because it says for straight and wavy hair. I don't have straight and wavy hair, but I wanted to try it. I did the LOC method, so I wanted to try it as my liquid to see just kind of how it would work out, and it actually worked out very great. So I used this as my liquid. I used an oil, and then I turned around and used, what is this styler for curly and coily hair, which is what I have, and I use this as my LOC cream. So yeah, I use this one for my cream. So yeah, me using both of these products with each other, like, it definitely made my curls pop. Like, as you guys will see, my curls was popping and they bounced right back, which let me know like they're in pretty good health. They definitely need a trim, so I'm aware of that. But as far as the curls by themselves, like, they looked amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I used. So I did use Eco Styler gel to seal in all of the products, but other than that, I only use the Plentiful products on my hair. And so I'm satisfied with the end result. I'm satisfied with my hair. My hair still feels very soft. It feels very manageable. If I spritz some water on it, like, I could still run my comb through it with no problem. My hair will still be detangled. So that's what I love about the product. So yeah, I hope that you guys stay tuned to the tutorial on how I did my hair from start to finish. Let me know what you guys think about my natural curls, if they popping or if they're not. But if you guys are interested in these products, I do have a little deal for you guys. So after you guys see how I use all these products and how it turned out for my hair, if you guys are interested, there's a link down below for all 4 of these products, which are priced at $48 for a bundle set, but you will get them for $25 if you click the link down below. So if your curls want to be popping and you don't want to use any kind of harmful products on your hair, then make sure you click the link down below and try it out. Let me know what you guys are thinking. If you guys have tried it out, let me know how it worked out for you. I will continue to use these products until I'm done, and I will definitely try them again because they worked on my hair, and until they no longer work, then I won't use it anymore. And so yeah, I hope that you guys like it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for how I got this finished look right here.